This is the old relay. That's what it looks like. Got it from AutoZone. This is the brand new one. Goes in there. There's a clip right here. Sorry. This clip. See that? Press it. Take it off. It's okay if it's bigger. This is the original. This is the original. That's the original. This is the one from AutoZone. The fuel pump relay is tucked in here. It's tucked in here behind this. You'll see it. It looks like this. Right in there, you'll see it. There's a bracket back here. There's a bracket back here. Slide it in. That's the relay. Fuel pump relay. 03. Shit, I'm stuck.